Hello, I'm John Linz, and in this workshop I will be talking about autoencoders and bottlenecks. Now, I intend this workshop to be very brief. I won't go too much into the technicalities at all. I will just simply be explaining what these two things are. So yeah, let's get right into it. So what is a bottleneck? So the definition is relatively straightforward. It's very similar to an actual bottleneck, like in real life, like on a bottle. As you can see, the number of nodes in the bottleneck has to be less than the number of nodes in the layer before it. Now here is the input layer. As you can see, it has 4 nodes. The bottleneck has 2 nodes. So the level of dimensionality has reduced by 1/2, as you can see. Now, the purpose of this is to reduce noise. So the bottleneck, or rather the model, has to include as much data as it possibly can in the amount of space that it has. So the result of that is that it only carries over the most relevant data required for the model to make the appropriate prediction. So as you can see here, the model only needs an image of a cat that includes the basic structure. It doesn't need all this noise. In fact, that might even throw the model off. So that really shows how important bottlenecks and autoencoders are. Going back to the previous slide, though, I would like to mention that this whole autoencoder structure has 2 parts. It has the encoder part and the decoder part. So the process works as follows. So a high dimensionality or high dimension input is put into the bottleneck, and then it's reconstructed to the same level of dimensionality as it originally was. So it retains the same dimensionality but with less noise. So where are bottlenecks and autoencoders useful? Well, right now it's used in autonomous vehicles mostly. As you can see from this image, only the basic structure of these various objects still stand, while noise, such as in the windows of buildings or the leaves of trees, is no longer there. From your own eyes, looking at this, you can definitely realize, okay, this is the structure of a car, and this is the structure of a motorcycle, this is the structure of a person. You know what these things are, but it simply takes less computing power if you reduce the amount of noise. So yeah, that's all I have for you. I hope you took something away from this, and I will see you in the next workshop. So thanks for watching.